Hey there, beautiful people! Welcome to Getting Sexy Back. Whether you're a first-timer or a loyal viewer, today's episode is going to be a game changer. We're diving into the world of intermittent fasting and weight loss, and trust me, what you're about to learn could revolutionize your health journey. Ready to unlock the secrets of fasting for a slimmer, healthier you? Let's get started. In this episode, we're diving deep into the world of intermittent fasting and its incredible benefits for weight loss and overall health. You'll discover how fasting transforms your body, boosts fat burning, and even improves mental clarity. Get ready to unlock the secrets of effective, sustainable weight management. When you fast for 12 hours or more, your body goes through some fascinating changes. Let's take a closer look at what's happening behind the scenes. During the first 8 to 12 hours of fasting, your body burns through its glycogen stores. This is the quick energy it gets from carbohydrates. If you had some bread or pasta before starting your fast, that's the first fuel your body taps into. Once those easy-to-access energy stores run out, something amazing happens. Your body shifts into fat-burning mode. This process, called lipolysis, kicks in after about 12 hours without food. Your fat cells start breaking down and converting into energy to keep you going. Another important change is that your insulin levels begin to drop. This is actually a good thing because high insulin makes it harder for your body to burn fat. When insulin takes a break, your body becomes more efficient at using stored fat for fuel. It's like flipping a switch that tells your body, hey, it's time to burn some fat. Now you might be wondering, if my body has all this stored fat to burn, why do I still feel hungry during a fast? Great question. It's all about your body's signals and your habits. First, there's ghrelin, the hunger hormone. Your stomach releases it when it's empty, telling your brain it's time to eat. Then there's habit. If you're used to eating at certain times, your body expects food and signals hunger, even if it doesn't truly need it. Lastly, there's mental hunger. Sometimes, just knowing you're fasting can make you fixate on food more than usual. It's like telling yourself not to think about pink elephants. Suddenly, they're all you can think about. Understanding these factors can help you push through those hunger pangs and stick to your fasting goals. Now let's talk about how fasting can be a powerful tool for weight loss. It's not just about skipping meals. There's some real science behind why it works. First and foremost, fasting helps create a calorie deficit. When you limit your eating window, you naturally consume fewer calories overall. It's simple math. Fewer opportunities to eat often means fewer calories in. But here's where it gets exciting. Remember how we mentioned that your body switches to fat-burning mode after about 12 hours? This is where the magic happens. During fasting periods, your body taps into those fat stores for energy, potentially accelerating weight loss. And there's more good news. Fasting can actually give your metabolism a boost over time. It improves insulin sensitivity, making your body more efficient at using energy. This means you're not just losing weight, you're optimizing your body's entire energy system. So, if you're looking to shed some pounds, fasting could be a game changer. It's not just about eating less, it's about training your body to burn fat more effectively. Fasting can sometimes come with a few unwanted side effects, but don't worry, they're usually manageable. Headaches and irritability are common, often caused by low blood sugar as your body adjusts to using fat for fuel. Dehydration can also play a role, so make sure you're drinking plenty of water before and during your fast. If you're a regular coffee drinker, caffeine withdrawal might be the culprit behind that pounding head. To ease these symptoms, try gradually reducing caffeine intake before your fast. Stay well hydrated, and consider taking a quick nap if possible. Remember, these side effects are temporary and usually subside as your body adapts to fasting. Now let's talk about water weight, especially after those big holiday feasts. Ever stepped on the scale after Rosh Hashanah and felt shocked? Don't worry, it's probably just water weight, not actual fat gain. Here's why. When we indulge in carb-heavy meals, our bodies store extra water along with those carbs. Add in salty foods, and you've got a recipe for temporary bloating. The good news? Fasting can help reset this. As you fast, your body uses up those carb stores, releasing the extra water. So a lot of that post-holiday puffiness will naturally disappear. Remember, these fluctuations are normal and temporary. The real key to long-term weight loss is maintaining a calorie deficit over time, which fasting can help with. Fasting isn't just a weight loss tool, it's a powerhouse for overall health. Beyond shedding pound-ins, fasting can significantly improve your insulin sensitivity, helping your body manage blood sugar more effectively. It also triggers a process called autophagy, where your cells essentially clean house, breaking down old or damaged components. This cellular spring cleaning can boost your overall health and may even slow down aging. Many people also report improved mental clarity and focus during fasting periods. As your body adapts to using fat for fuel, you might experience fewer energy crashes and sharper concentration throughout the day. Now let's talk about breaking your fast. It's tempting to go all out and indulge in everything you've been craving, but that can actually undo a lot of the benefits you've gained. When you overeat after fasting, you risk spiking your blood sugar, causing uncomfortable bloating, and overwhelming your digestive system. Instead, break your fast slowly and mindfully. Start with something light like a small bowl of soup or a handful of nuts. This gentle approach helps wake up your digestive system without shocking it. Hydration is key, so drink water before you eat to avoid mistaking thirst for hunger. Take your time with your first meal. Enjoy it slowly, focusing on balanced options with some protein, healthy fats, and complex carbs. Remember, the goal is to nourish your body, not overwhelm it. By breaking your fast smartly, you'll feel better and maintain the benefits of your fasting efforts. All right, let's wrap this up. We've covered a lot about fasting and weight loss today. Remember, fasting can be a powerful tool for shedding pounds and boosting your health, but it's important to do it right. Don't forget to check out the description below for more resources on healthy fasting practices. And hey, if you found this helpful, give us a like and share it with a friend who might need this info. Subscribe to stay tuned for our next episode, where we'll dive into the best foods to eat after breaking your fast. Thanks for watching Getting Sexy Back. Hey there, sexy seekers! It's Anna Diamond here, and welcome back to Getting Sexy Back. Are you ready to take charge of your health in a way that feels manageable and fun? If so, I have something special for you. Introducing my new book, Daily Dose of Health, 30 Days, 30 Challenges. Let's transform your wellness journey, one small step at a time. In just 30 days, you can build lasting habits that will change your life. This book is packed with simple, achievable daily challenges, whether it's drinking more water, practicing mindfulness, or trying a new exercise. Each day presents a fresh task designed to fit seamlessly into your busy routine. No drastic changes needed. Why 30 days? Studies show that it takes around 21 to 30 days to form a new habit. Instead of overwhelming you with huge changes, I've broken it down into bite-sized tasks that are easy to incorporate. By the end of this month, whether you want to boost your energy, improve digestion, or simply feel better, you'll have developed a solid foundation for ongoing wellness. Each chapter of Daily Dose of Health offers a clear overview of the day's challenge, so you understand its importance. Step-by-step guidance to make the challenge super easy to follow. A list of benefits, keeping you motivated every step of the way. Plus, you'll find a reflection and progress tracker at the end of each day. This space allows you to jot down how you felt and what you learned, helping you stay accountable and aware of your growth. Curious about what kinds of challenges you'll tackle? Here are a few examples. Day 1, Hydration Challenge. Drink half your body weight in ounces of water. You'll be amazed at how energized you feel. Day 10, Mindful Eating. Take a moment to savor each bite. This simple act can improve digestion and enhance your enjoyment of food. Day 20, New Exercise. Try a fun workout like dancing or yoga to shake up your routine. These challenges are designed to fit into your lifestyle, so you can see real results without feeling overwhelmed. Are you ready to start your 30-day health journey with me? Let's build a healthier lifestyle together. Grab your copy of Daily Dose of Health, 30 Days, 30 Challenges, and begin transforming your well-being, one small challenge at a time. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more health tips and inspiration right here on Getting Sexy Back. Join our community, share your progress, and let's get sexy back together. Here's to your daily dose of health. Let's make these next 30 days a time of growth, joy, and transformation. Remember, small actions lead to big changes. I can't wait to see you thrive.